Sure, I'd be happy to help you understand how solar panels work. Let's break it down step by step. Imagine a sunny day and you're standing in your backyard. The sun is shining brightly and you notice something on your roof. That's a solar panel, and it's hard at work converting the sun's energy into electricity. Now, let's take a closer look at what's happening inside that solar panel. It's made up of tiny cells, each with a positive and negative side. When sunlight hits these cells, it knocks loose some electrons, which are then pulled away by the negative side of the cell. This creates a flow of electricity, and voila, you've got yourself some solar power. But wait, there's more. The electricity generated by the solar panel doesn't just flow into your house. It's actually fed into a grid where it's used to power your neighborhood, your city, and even your entire country. Now, let's talk about how you can use this solar power. Solar panels are becoming more and more popular as people are becoming more environmentally conscious. They're a great way to reduce your carbon footprint and save money on your electricity bill. So, how do you get started? Well, the first step is to find a reputable solar panel installer. They'll assess your home's energy needs and help you choose the right size and type of solar panel system. Once installed, you'll start generating your own clean, renewable energy. Now, let's talk about the cost. Solar panels can be a significant investment, but they're also a long-term investment. They typically last for 25 to 30 years, and they're low maintenance, so you'll save money in the long run. Plus, many governments offer incentives and tax breaks to encourage the use of solar power. In conclusion, solar panels are a great way to harness the power of the sun and reduce your carbon footprint. They're a long-term investment that can save you money on your electricity bill, and they're becoming more and more popular as people become more environmentally conscious. So, why not give them a try? Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more informative and engaging content. Stay green, stay clean, and keep powering your homes with the sun.